glue gel. That's 3 you need. That's all 3 you need. And then we'll go ahead and apply. Just drop the cap. Just a smaller amount. And then on this design, I'm gonna do it right closer to the cuticles. You can have an option to apply whole and tie the nails, just in case that your client's like, oh, Nancy, can I add a couple more crystal on it? But if your client's like, for sure that she's going to get just right here in the cuticle area, you can definitely just need to apply it over in the cuticle area. And I'm gonna go ahead and floating the no wipe top coat right on the top. Keep in mind, you don't want to need just like load a lot of condensed glue gel because it's thick density, so you don't want it being too thick. Also, you don't want to be too little. Too thick is not going to apply. I mean, too thick is not going to make your crystal stay looks nice because it's gonna flood it. But if you are doing it too little, it might not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm going to go ahead and floating the no wipe chocolate right on the top. It also is going to finish the looks of the velvety gel finish. And go ahead. Ooh, this one is so cute though. I want that one. This one is so cute. I got that from the Perfect Combination kits. So first thing first, we're gonna do the frame underneath, and then we're gonna pick this super cute centerpiece on the top. And another frame right there. Am I in the camera?
Mm-hmm.
You can add more as you prefer. And then if you want some beads on, absolutely. Make sure that you're adjusting it well. Okay. And it's the best thing about condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat is not going to set on a stone until you are going to cure. So if you need to change, to adjust, to move things around, you can definitely do that first and cure. So I'm gonna put a couple beads in there and using the other end of the crystal picker and adjusting it. And if you're happy with it, and we are going to using the edges of crystal pickers, I mean the dot tool end, and then I'm gonna just like guide it really down. But I think I might want a couple of the beads right there. Okay, good.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure that it's not crooked. Perfect. All right, cure for 60 seconds.
And if you want, you can even go top coat the rest and cure all at once.
No, should we do one more crystal? Just no, maybe so.